Okay, I just got my shipment of collagen, and I'm excited to try some of these flavors here. So collagen is the building block of connective tissue. So that means it's good for your skin, your hair, your nails. But honestly, as a physical therapist, what I care about most is tendon health. I see a ton of tendon issues. Lots of golfers, tennis, any kind of sport that requires any kind of ballistic movement, that puts a lot of stress on the tendon. So if you go to the gym, you train, nice slow controlled movement, that's really good for muscle development, and your muscle has good blood supply, so it recovers fast. But the tendon doesn't really get trained as much as the muscle, so it tends to need a little more time to recover. So that's why I'm interested in collagen. So first up, let's try Life. That's pretty good. All right, I'm gonna try the Sport next. A little more tangy, but really good. Remember to refrigerate these after you open. If you guys have any questions, hit me up.